I know renting a house or an apartment can be stressful. Believe me, I know, because that's what happened in our own case. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a good house in the UK, how to get the right accommodation, what site to check for, and all that. So if that's what you want,
all I see is blessings. Got no time for stressing.
hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Precious Society, just in case you're new here. Ever since I uploaded our house on videos, I've been getting a lot of emails and comments about the sites I use, what procedure and how that. So I just decided to do a video on it. Let me just say guys, it wasn't easy, believe me, but God did it eventually. There are different sites to do for a house here in the UK. They have On the Market, Zoopla, Rightmove. If you are looking for a shared accommodation, there is Share Room. And also there is Facebook Market, but Facebook Market, I won't advise that. There's a lot of scammers. Don't pay before going for viewing. I will show you step by step on how you can get a good house, how to check energy rating. Let me just say this, houses are harder to get right now in the UK. Even in my city, there is no house. It's just by God's grace. So guys, let's begin. Let me screen record if I can. So this is the site. On the Market, it will ask you where do you want to rent from. Let me put Wolverhampton, West Midland. Then it's just going to show you all the houses that are available. So let's check this one that is 1,000 per month. This house is 2-bedroom apartment to rent. Council tax as the agents. Available now, furnished, and deposit is 1,000. So you have to pay for deposit, then you pay your monthly rent. So your monthly rent is 1,000. Then also you have to pay for deposit when getting the accommodation. If when you are leaving the house, you leave it the same way you came in, the landlord will give you back your deposit. But if you messed up the house, they won't give you back your deposit. So let's just check the house, the picture here. Most times it's not what you see on the picture that you get. The house is it furnished? Let's see. Furnished. So everything in this picture, like you might see, yeah, you might meet some of the things here in the picture. And also we are still going to check the energy rating. It's not here. And they didn't put the energy rating here. So let's check another house. Let's check this one. No. Wow, this one is for rent, 4,000 per month, 7-bedroom house to rent. I think that one is for like vacation. Look at this one, 2-bedroom flat, 2-bedroom Taiwan house to rent, 2-bedroom and bathroom, EPC B, which is very good. B, which is a good one. I'm still going to show you guys how to check your energy rating online. Availability date is from 27th of November 2023, so it's not available now. It's going to be available November 2023. Unfurnished. Deposit is £990 a month, long term. It has a private property description and feature. It has a private driveway, fitted bedroom to the master bathroom, fridge, freezer, oven and hobs, light grey carpet in the bedroom and stairs, security alarm system, dishwasher, washing and drying machine, light wash effect and flooring, outside tap for watering the garden. Wow, this is good. And it's a 2-bedroom tenant house to rent, £975 a month. This is a good one. So let's check another one. Energy rating is the amount of energy you use in the house. So if it's A, B, and C, it's gonna be cheap. But if it's from E, F, G, that's gonna be expensive, and the house is gonna be cold. You're gonna pay a lot for energy. So that's why it's good to always check the energy rating when renting a house.
When you click on Zoopla, it's gonna show you there are different houses here to pick from. So you can clear West Wolverhampton, West Midland. So let's check this one, 3-bedroom house. And this one, the deposit is 1,000. Council tax is not available. Unfurnished, semi-detached house. Their phone number you can call or you can email, but our advice you call because email they might not respond on time. So our advice you call them. So let's check this energy rating and see how many this is. Mhm. Okay, I think in Zoopla they don't put the energy rating. I'm not sure because as I use on the market, I didn't get any houses, any viewing from Zoopla. So yeah, brief description. This will be presented month. So for the deposit, before you rent the house, you have to pay £1,005 for the deposit a month. That's what you have to pay first. But the house rent per month is £875 a month for this one. So let's see another one. This is also listing not available. So guys, there are different sites to check on the market. So UK house energy rating. So you can just click find an energy certificate, then start now. So you click domestic property. Then you just put the postcode. You can put any postcode. Let's try this. So yeah, like this one, 31 Presswood Road West is E. The energy rating is E. This one is expired. So whatever houses you're looking for, you can always go online and just check the energy rating. Even if they put energy rating in the houses, but it's good you confirm and check for yourself and know. So as you can see, because here they won't lie. This one now is expired. So you can see and you can check. So it's really easy. This is how you can check for the energy certificate and know how much energy the house that you are going to rent consume, if it's high or if it's low. I will always advise you to do this so that you know how much energy the house that you are going to get is going to be consuming. So that's it, guys.
That's it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Please like this video so that YouTube can push it up there. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. And for my OG, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. I'm going to see you guys on the following video. Bye bye.